Dog is featuring my channel, and this is a series of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 videos. So that means 80 minutes worth of learning and trying to learn how to buy and sell without any loss. And this is not a promise, it's a guarantee. But before you continue this video, this information will not be for free. So if you know that you don't want to pay a guy like me any money to give you all the skills he gathered in 20 years, you better switch off the video and, take up collecting stamps. Or, there's always Barbie College, isn't it? Pretty Swayze in the Roadhouse, now come on. Right, so this is Polo, yeah? Not Marco Polo, no. One of those guys. Anyway, to cut a long story short, Ralph Lauren, of course, original, yeah? Wouldn't fit me. It's not for me, it's for sale. But the cool thing about it that you can use it both sides, yeah? So, if you have a boy, you can use it for the boy, yeah? And when he grows up, you give it to the girl, just turn it over, chop this off, and then you can use it the other way. So it's pretty cool. But what is really cool is the fact that the retail price is £145. I don't know if you can see it. I'm pretty sure you can. But if you can, then take my word on it. And the magic is that I only paid £29. Now, where I bought it and how I bought it is at the moment completely irrelevant, because that's the part when you have to pay me to tell you all this information. Nothing in life is for free. I hope you don't disagree. This item will make me a minimum of £40, yeah? And if it doesn't, then I will get my money back. I'm not going to lose anything, not a penny. What I do lose is a little bit of time to research this item, to go to the very shops, which I will mention to you, to the right time, with the right information. But I'm not doing anything illegal here. No, I'm not bending the law either. I just use my rights as a human being to my advantage. And this is how I roll. No need to break the law. Why would you do that? I'm a family man, I have children, I don't want to go to prison over a jacket or something. But it took me 20 years to perfect my skills. And for this, I want a little bit of appreciation. So in the comments or in my email on the YouTube, get in touch. And for a one-off payment, I will tell you how to do this and how to make a side hustle where you definitely can't lose, except a little bit of time. But you can watch TikTok videos all day long, listen to these second or third class TikTokers who advertising dodgy websites for a lot of money, lying about those websites to make sure that everything sounds free, everything sounds great, everything sounds so professional. And then in the end of the day, when you then go to these websites, then you have the big boom, the big disappointment. Oh, it's not for free, you have to subscribe, they want your credit card, they want this, they want that. I'm not going to do that. I'm straight away up from point one. This is an information which I can't share for free. Neither where I buy them, neither where I sell them, and neither how I do it, that I don't make any loss. And furthermore, I don't need to store this. Yeah? Because if you can't sell it, you have to store it. Now, storage is an issue. If you have the space, it's a different story. Suit yourself. But you don't want to keep these things for too long either, because if you keep it for 5 years and you can't sell it, then these £29 you invested sitting on your shelf like this for 5 years doing nothing. And money is like your willy. It only grows if you play with it. So no good storing it. Another problem when you store it, that by the time you actually then sell it, or could be selling it, it's out of the fashion. Because in 5 years' time, the fashion gurus, the people who buy something for their children, they know that this model is 5 years old. So they're going to push you down with the price. So this business is an in, and then in a little while, an out. But you need to know where you withdraw. Because if you don't withdraw the right time, then you have to buy plenty of this for your kids. You know what I'm saying? So you have to be careful. So withdrawing is just as important as to know when you getting in. Now, the people, and I hate this crypto. I'm a dinosaur. I'm old-fashioned. But the people who got in with Bitcoin at the right time and got out the right time, they made a lot of money. But those muppets who just bought recently and then a week ago just plummeted everything, now those are losers. I don't want that. I want money which it's definite, without loss. I'm not a gambler. If you're not a gambler, go to a casino. As I mentioned in other videos, this is not a business you can get rich overnight. But you don't really want to get rich. You just want to have a reasonable life without doing a lot of work. This is the whole point. Forget Musk, forget Bezos, forget those people. How many are out there? 1 in every 20 years turns up. It's impossible. So, yes, you can have a dream, but focus on the day by day. Take it day by day and work yourself up. This is how it's done. And this is a side hustle your 13 or 14 years old daughter can do for you. Instead of her taking 859 Snapchats all day, I will tell you how you can put this young person's mind straight, and she can do the job for you. Now all you have to do is just give her the money to go to the shop, buy the clothes, and she can run the whole show for you. You cash her in the money, you buy her an ice cream. Well, you know, she lives at your place, she eats at your place, she drinks at your place, or he for that matter. So she or he or they, put it that way, they should work, because they're getting everything for free otherwise. So use your head always. Now, just checking the time, because, oh yeah, perfect. I need to hit the threshold on those videos, 9 minutes or 10 minutes, and that's another information which is unrelated but good to know if you're a YouTuber. If the videos are under 7 minutes, you can't really put extra adverts between the videos. If the videos are a bit longer, then you can put more adverts mean more money, because this is now for me a double penetration. I'm gonna make money on those clothes, or not. That's also possible. But the point is, I'm not gonna lose. I didn't lose anything, because my 250 or 440 pounds which I put into these clothes to buy them, this money will come back. This is the bare minimum. So there's no way. There's either profit or square, fair and square. But there's no loss. It's not possible. Loss is not possible. Absolutely impossible. And even if I make on all those 8 clothes which I'm going to introduce to you, on all 8, even if I make on all 8 only 20 pounds, now that's a 20 pounds for free. Because for me to walk around in a supermarket and pick those clothes, it's no big deal. You know, I meet people, I chat to people, have a fun, and I learn a lot. I learn incredible things being out there. So, but I'm going to make on those clothes easily 500 quid. So, that's that. Dog is for chewing my channel. Like, share, comment, and of course, au revoir. Auf Wiedersehen und lasst dem Schirm nicht stehen.